Welcome back, guys. This is Chad with iRank Veteran 8888. Today we got a special treat for you. Desert Tech was able to get us in one of their brand spanking new for 2021 11.5-inch barrel kits for the MDR. If it wasn't short enough already, you guys know that bullpups come in at a very short, compact package with a full-length barrel, like a 16-inch carbine barrel. Well, this is an 11.5-inch SBR in 5.56 that's not very much larger than your common like 9mm PCCs. It's just borderline insane. And I wasn't really sure what to think about these barrels when they first came out, like how accurate they would be. I went out and did a little bit of grouping with them with our favorite Lithuanian Triple G M855 ball. And I was seeing just as good of accuracy out of this rig as I was out of the full-size MDR. We're hovering right around 1 to 1.5 MOA average, with a few groups breaking that MOA barrier, which was really surprising. I'm running my little Hopi K on the front of this. This is from RMS Squared. This is a 6.5 caliber suppressor, and at the ear on this particular rig, I was hovering right at the 141 to 142 range, which is very, very impressive for a bullpup, especially running one, suppressed like this. Typically, they're quite loud at the ear, especially like a system like the AUG, but this is very, very pleasing to shoot. I am still wearing ears because it is just borderline over that hearing safe threshold. We've got it topped off with the same Elcan Spectre DR2. This was from our friends at Optics Planet a while back. This is pretty much the same configuration that we ran in the previous MDRX video with the addition of the newer kit on the front. The SBR kit does come with the barrel assembly with the integrated gas block. It's a very simple barrel swap on the MDRs. It's just a locking bolt and a couple of other retention bolts that just have to be loosened up. Pull the barrel, replace the barrel, tighten everything back up to spec, you're good to go. Also included with the kit is a special fore-end. This one is so brand spanking new that it's 3D printed. The production models obviously will be the same quality polymer that the MDR is known for. Let's take a few shots out to 300 yards with this little guy and see what she can do. I mean, I kind of already know what she can do, but we're going to show you guys. We're going to have a little bit of fun. Not exactly the easiest rifle to bench. All right, let's see. Let's take a few shots at 100 and then move on out. I will mention too, as we've mentioned in previous MDR videos, these things have a phenomenal trigger for a bullpup. All right, 200 yards. All right, so that's a half-size D28 down there. We got some quarter size just next to it. Let's see if we can take those guys out. All right, moving up to 250 here. All right, half-size D28, and then we might take a shot at the gopher there too. All right, 250. I mean, that's a 3-shot group down there that's literally like the size of my fist from an 11.5-inch barrel bullpup. All right, let's take a shot at the gopher. See if we can nail him. He's a little bit of a skinny target. Uh-oh. All right, so this is something that's happened in the past too with us. So normally, like when I'm shooting from the bench, I like to push the buttstock into my shoulder. Well, as you can see, that's your lever right there for your bolt release. So once your bolt locks to the rear on the empty magazine, you can just push this little lever here up and it'll drop the bolt back home. But I'm holding it up, so therefore it doesn't allow the bolt to lock. Let's see if we can remedy that like we've done before. All right, let's try another P-Mag and let's shoot 300 yards. All right. 300. All right, 22-inch round first, and then we'll see if we can hit some smaller targets. I mean, this isn't really like a match gun to shoot tiny little pieces of steel, but it's still fun to try. All right, 300 yards. All right, let's try our coyote. Ah, 11.5-inch bullpup coyote rifle. I say that works. All right, let's see. All right, we've got an 8-inch popper up there. All right, that's kind of a tiny target at 300. Ooh, okay. Oh, I'm gonna get it at least one time. It's like all around it. 8-inch target might be out of the scope of this video here. Let's see. All right, let me try one more time here. Yep, I just can't quite get that 8-inch guy. All right, so as you notice, bolt lock to the rear. On the MDR, you have magazine release up front here, where it would commonly be on your AR-15, or you have a magazine release back here in front of the mag well. We'll use the front release, mag drops out. All right, so now we've got a 20-round GI magazine. And look, guys, we're not shooting a lot of ammo in this video because 5.56, especially the triple G, is extremely hard to come by these days. And when you can find it, it's a little ridiculous, okay, on the price side of things. So we just kind of wanted to show the MDR off in a new configuration because this is a very, very cool rifle and we do love it here on the channel. All right, let's take a few more shots out to range here. Test this GI mag here. All right, then we'll stick it 300 yards. All right. Let's see here. I mean, it's like child's play on these large targets out here. All right, let's go back to our 200-yarders here. What a wonderfully soft shooting rifle. There you have it. All right, like I said, we're not shooting a lot of ammo in this video. Just a few mags to give you guys kind of an idea of like what this little setup's capable of. And as I mentioned, the accuracy is bar none superior to most other things that you're going to see on the market, save for like a normal 11.5-inch or a 12.5-inch AR. We all know that ARs can be very, very accurate, and bullpups have a tendency to kind of be hit or miss, okay? We've shot bullpups that no matter what you put in them, they might be a 4 MOA gun, they might be a 6 MOA gun. Most of the bullpups we shot have been around the 2 to 3 MOA mark, but the Desert Tech really stands out in that line just because of their inherent accuracy potential. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. We've got many more on the way. Want to give a special shout out to our Patreon supporters and those of you who purchase man cans and other apparel over on the website and also over on Ballistic Inc. That's the most direct way to support what we do here on the channel. Until next time, you guys take care and we will talk to you soon.